All right, this is first grade math lesson 5-5, adding 3 numbers. So let's take a look here. Carlos made stacks of 6 books, 4 books, and 6 books. How can you use addition to find the number of books in all 3 stacks? Write 2 different equations. Remember, again, an equation is just a math sentence to show how many books in all. So he has 6 books, 4 books, and 6 books. I'm going to mix the numbers around because it doesn't matter which way we add them. I'm going to do 6 plus 6 plus 4. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and add them together. I'm going to look for groups of 10 because it's easy. 4 plus 6 I know equals 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Again, 6 plus 4 also equals 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. So it doesn't really matter which way our add-ins are going. We can add them any way that we'd like to. Okay, let's go ahead and go on to the back page here with adding 3 numbers. So it says you can add 3 numbers. We have 8 plus 6 plus 2. And we're trying to find ways that we can make a 10. So we know that 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 plus 6 equals 16. So this will give us some strategies. It says you can add any 2 numbers first, like the 8 is the 3 and the 5 plus the 4, or you could do the 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3. So you can also, if we can't make a 10, we can try to make doubles. Doubles are things we worked on a few months ago on remembering our doubles facts. So any doubles fact is like 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, and that sort of thing. So let's take a look here. Okay, add the circled numbers first. Write their sum in the box, then write the sum of all 3 numbers. So we're going to be adding 2 plus 9 plus 1. Okay, so one way you could do it is you could do 2 plus 9 equals 11 plus 1 more is 12. Or you can make a 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. I forgot to do the do you understand show me. So let's take a look at that one real quickly. It says, do you understand show me? Why can you pick any 2 numbers to add first when you add 3 numbers? Well, it doesn't really matter the order. You could say it doesn't matter which order you add. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have 6 plus 3 we know is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Or we could add 3 plus 2 first is 5, and 6 plus 5 is 11. So it really doesn't matter which numbers that we add together first. But it's nice if we can take 2 numbers and make it a little bit easier. So circle 2 numbers to add first. Write their sum in the box at the right, then write the sum of all 3 numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a doubles fact. I'm going to do 6 plus 6 here equals 12. And 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so I'm either looking for ways to make a group of 10 or a doubles fact. So I don't have any of the same numbers. Like those are the same numbers, so I know I can do doubles. So I'm going to try and look for a group of 10. Here we go. 3 and 7 equal 10, and 10 plus 8 equals 18. Okay, let's take a look here. I don't have 2 of the same numbers, so I can't do doubles, but I can do 2 plus 8 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Looking right off that, ooh, this one's interesting. I can make a 10 here because 7 plus 3 equals 10. Or I could do a doubles fact of 3 plus 3 equals 6. But I'm going to do a 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Same on this one. There's doubles and a way that I can make 10. I'm going to do 10s just because I think it's easier. 2 plus 8 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, this one, don't have any doubles, none of the same numbers, and I don't have a way to make 10. But so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do 5 plus 0 is 5, and 5 plus 9 equals 14. So, and again, you can do it any way that you'd like to. Okay, we're going to take a look at our number sentence. Find the missing numbers. The numbers on each branch add up to 15. So we want to figure out, we have to add each of these. We can just pretend these little branches here are just like little plus signs in between if you want to. Okay, so we have to get to 15. 4 plus 5 is 9. I'm going to count up 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to add 6. Okay, let's see, I don't know what this is, but I know 4 plus 8 is 12, and I need to get to 15. So 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to add 3 more. Okay, 7 plus 7 is 14. I need to get to 15. I know 14. One more is going to take me to 15. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Again, we're trying to get to 15, and we're adding in between each of these little branches will be an area where you add. 3 plus 6 I know is 9, so that's 9 up to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is going to be 6 again. Okay, 9 plus 2 I know that is 11, so I'm going to count up from 11 to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I added up 4. And 6 plus 7 is 13. I need to get to 15. So 13, 14, 15. I needed to add up 2 for that one there. Okay, let's go ahead and go back and take a look at our back page. Again, feel free to pause the video as needed as you go through and watch it. Okay, so we're going to write an equation to solve each of the problems below. Maya puts 7 books on a shelf and 3 books on another shelf. Then she puts 5 books on the last shelf. How many books did Maya put on all 3 shelves? So we have 7 plus 3 plus 5. I don't have a double, so I don't have any 2 numbers that are the same, but I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15, so a total of 15 books. Okay, let's look at our higher order thinking. Explain how to add 7 plus 2 plus 3. Use pictures, numbers, or words. So there's 7 plus 2 plus 3. You know what I'm going to do? I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay? All right, let's take a look at our assessment. If you want to pause the video and do this on your own and then come back and check it, you're welcome to do that. Ken buys 4 pencils, 6 markers, and 7 pens. He wants to know how many items he bought in all. He added 4 plus 6 first. What should he do next? So if he added 4 plus 6, he knows that's 10. The next thing you need to do is add 10. So you're going to do 10 plus 7 equals 17. And you can either write it out in sentence form or just a math sentence, which is an equation. All right, great job, everybody.